Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss affixes. What are they and why are they important in forming new words? Just keep watching to learn. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Now, what are affixes? Affixes are grammatical elements that are attached to a word or a stem to modify its meaning. They are commonly used in many languages, including English. There are two main types of affixes, the prefix and the suffix. But first, let us get to know prefixes. What are prefixes? Prefixes are linguistic elements that are not independent but are attached to the beginning of words to modify their meaning. There are a lot of prefixes in written English, and here are just some of them. We have the prefix, anti. The prefix, anti, generally indicates opposition to, or against something. For example, antibiotic. An antibiotic is a substance used to fight against bacterial infections. Next, we have the prefix, dis. The prefix, dis, is used to indicate negation, reversal, or separation. For example, dislike. It means to have a negative feeling or aversion towards something. We also have the prefix, inter. The prefix, inter, is used to convey the idea of between, among, or within different elements or contexts. For example, intermission. Intermission is a pause or break between periods of activity. Then, we have the prefix, mis. The prefix, mis, is used to convey a sense of misunderstanding, error, or incorrectness. For example, misbehave, which means to behave inappropriately or contrary to rules. Lastly, we have the prefix, re. The prefix, re, is used to indicate repetition, restoration, or revisiting of actions or concepts. For example, rewrite, which means to write something again or in a different way. Let us have some examples of words with prefixes used in sentences. For the first example, she was prescribed an antibiotic to treat the bacterial infection in her throat. Next example, after sitting in the same position for hours, he began to feel discomfort in his lower back. Finally, the two roads intersect at the main junction downtown. Can you give other examples of prefixes? There are other examples of prefixes in written English, and they are for you to explore and understand. In the next video, we will discuss the next type of affixes, the suffixes. In the meantime, let us have a little practice exercise to test your understanding of this particular topic. In this practice exercise, you need to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words in brackets using prefixes. You will only be given 15 seconds to answer each item. Are you ready? For number 1, his message was blank, understood by the audience, leading to confusion. What prefix should be added in order to have the appropriate word in the sentence? You have 15 seconds to answer. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is misunderstood. In the sentence, misunderstood is formed by adding the prefix, mis, to the word understood. The prefix, mis, indicates that the understanding was incorrect or not accurate, leading to the confusion. Hence, the correct sentence would be, his message was misunderstood by the audience, leading to confusion. For number 2, the children were taught how to blank act politely with their peers and teachers. What prefix should be added in order to have the appropriate word in the sentence? You have 15 seconds to answer. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is interact. In the sentence, interact is used as a verb meaning to communicate or engage with others. The prefix inter indicates the action of engaging or communicating between individuals. In this case, peers and teachers. It implies that the children were learning how to engage in social interactions in a courteous and respectful manner. Therefore, the correct sentence would be, the children were taught how to interact politely with their peers and teachers. For the last item, it's important not to blank react to minor setbacks and maintain a balanced perspective. What prefix should be added in order to have the appropriate word in the sentence? You have 15 seconds to answer. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is overreact. In this sentence, overreact is used as a verb to caution against responding with excessive emotion or behavior to minor setbacks. The prefix over, then added to react, intensifies the reaction, implying that one should avoid responding in an exaggerated or overly emotional manner. The sentence emphasizes the importance of maintaining composure and a rational approach even in the face of small challenges. Therefore, the correct sentence would be, it's important not to overreact to minor setbacks and maintain a balanced perspective. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.